my name is Roy Churchwell. I'm the area biologist with the Alaska Department of Fish and Game here in Juneau. And today I'm going to show you how to ratchet strap a roll cart or garbage dumpster or can so that you can make it more safe from bears and more secure. Alright, so here we have a secured can with a ratchet strap on it. I just want to show you a few key points of things that you want to consider when you're setting this up. So it's strapped here across the top and hooked under the latch here. Not all cans will have this latch, but often they'll have some kind of lip similar to this here. You could hook it under there as well. Here along the side, it doesn't have to be extremely tight, but just snug. And then we do hook it behind the wheel part here so it can't slip back and forth this way and is pretty secure there. All right, thank you for watching today. If you want more information about living with bears in Alaska, go to alaskabears.alaska.gov.